Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove extended hours trading from Thinkorswim's chart pattern or chart display here. So I believe by default they have it on, but if you want to turn it off, then you just have to go to this gear icon in the blue ribbon here. And you can see that if you have like the active trader, for example, it's always going to be in the blue ribbon. You want to go there and then go under equities and you can see show extended hours trading session. You can turn that off, apply that, and now you have no more extended hours. And it should be the same for every day. You should have no extended hours. And if you want to turn it back on, all you got to do is go back to that gear icon, go to equities, show extended hours trading session. You can even have it not highlight extended hours if you want that. If I apply that, then it's just all the same color all the way around. But you might want that, so highlight that and you have the same result as before. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe for more Thinkorswim content, and have a good day.